Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Hues and Clues is probably one of the most engaging and visually stimulating board games available today, offering a unique blend of deduction, creativity, and color recognition that appeals to a wide range of players, from families looking for a fun night into groups of friends seeking a lighthearted yet challenging experience. Its simple premise, centered around guessing words based on color combinations, belies a surprising depth that encourages strategic thinking and imaginative interpretation, making each round a fresh and exciting puzzle to solve. This game truly stands out for its ability to spark conversation and laughter, proving that sometimes, the most profound connections can be made through the simplest of observations. Number 5. USAOPOLY Blank Slate Board Game. Welcome to Blank Slate, the exciting board game where great minds truly think alike. Prepare yourself for a game of addicting predictions and fun. How well can you truly put your finger on what everyone else is thinking? It's time to find out in this engaging party game. Simply pick a word cue card, write down the word you believe best completes the phrase, and try to match it to another player's word without giving any hints. It's easy to learn and quick to play, making it perfect for family game nights. Just grab a slate, write a word, and get ready to make a match. This game is great for large groups or small gatherings, offering hours of fun for everyone. It's suitable for 3 to 8 players and ages 8 and up. Everything you need is included to get the fun started. You'll find a scoreboard, dry erase slates, word cue cards, and the rules for easy setup. What we like? This game is all about matching words and thinking alike. If you enjoy word games and want something quick and easy for a mixed group of ages, this is a great choice. It's perfect for parties or family game nights where you want lots of laughs and minimal setup. What people say. The game is a lot of fun and very engaging for the whole family. It's a great way to get people talking and guessing. The clues are creative and make you think outside the box. Number 4. Hues and Clues Color Guessing Board Game. Get ready for Hues and Clues, the vibrant color guessing game. It challenges friends and family to connect words with colors, featuring 480 colorful hues for endless fun. This game is perfect for family game nights, parties, or just casual play. It brings players of all ages together with its simple rules and exciting gameplay. You'll have a new and unique experience every time you play. This keeps the fun fresh and engaging, ensuring no 2 rounds are ever the same. Spark your creativity and foster fun team interaction. Use just 1 or 2 word clues to guide others to the right hue. Jump into the fast-paced action with easy rules. It's enjoyable for both casual players and seasoned gaming enthusiasts alike. What we like? This is a vibrant and creative game that challenges you to connect words with colors. If you're looking for a visually engaging game that sparks imagination and offers a fresh experience every time, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who appreciate art, design, or simply enjoy a more abstract and colorful challenge. What people say. The game is a lot of fun and very engaging for the whole family. It's a great way to get people talking and guessing, making for a lively game night. The clues are clever and encourage creative thinking, leading to some hilarious moments. Number 3. Osmo Coding Starter Kit for iPad. Experience the magic of Osmo, where learning games come alive. Watch as your child interacts with physical pieces and an iPad, bringing their actions to life in a fun and engaging way. With hands-on coding blocks, children can embark on an adventure to control characters and learn the fundamentals of programming. It's an exciting introduction to the world of coding. Explore the creative side of coding by composing music with over 300 sounds, or challenge their minds with over 60 coding puzzles. They'll develop logic and problem-solving skills with every game. This kit fosters essential skills like logic, critical thinking, and creative problem-solving. It's designed to make learning enjoyable and build a strong foundation for future success. Osmo games adapt to your child's level, from beginner to expert. Real-time feedback encourages experimentation in a stress-free environment, allowing them to learn at their own pace. The kit includes the Osmo Base, Reflector, 31 coding blocks, and access to 3 engaging apps, Coding Obby, Coding Jam, and Coding Duo. An iPad is required but not included. What we like? This is an educational kit that teaches coding fundamentals through interactive play with an iPad. If you have children aged 5 to 10 who are interested in technology, logic, and problem solving, this is an excellent option. It makes learning to code fun and accessible through hands-on activities and engaging games. What people say. The game has a unique concept where players guess locations based on color clues. It's a great way to test your observation skills and knowledge of different places. The game encourages creative thinking and discussion among players. Number 2. Winning Moves Clue Master Detective Game. Get ready for the biggest clue game ever. This supersized version brings more weapons, more rooms, and more suspects for maximum mayhem. First introduced in the 1980s, this game expands on the classic with extra elements. It's more of everything you love about Clue. Setting up is a breeze, just like the classic game. Sort the cards, place one of each in a confidential file, deal the rest, and you're ready to play. Gameplay is familiar, but with a twist. New snoop spaces let you peek at an opponent's card, adding a dastardly new layer to your deductions. With clever suggestions and sharp deduction, you can solve the mystery in about 45 to 60 minutes. It's the perfect length for an exciting game night. With room for up to 10 players, this game is ideal for your next murder mystery party. Gather your friends and see who can crack the case first. What we like. This is the ultimate version of the classic mystery game, offering more suspects, weapons, and rooms. If you love the deduction and intrigue of Clue and want an even grander experience, this is for you. It's perfect for larger gatherings and murder mystery parties where you want to amp up the classic gameplay. What people say. It has more rooms, people, and weapons. The weapon pieces are well made and heavy. The game contents are great, it even comes with all metal weapon pieces, and the board is as good as the original. Number 1. Hasbro Gaming Clue Jr. Marvel Avengers Edition. Introducing a classic mystery board game designed for younger players. This version brings the iconic Clue gameplay with a thrilling Marvel Avengers twist, perfect for aspiring detectives. Oh no, Loki has caused some trouble at Avengers Tower. Your mission is to use strategy and deduction to figure out who he tricked, what he took, and when he made his escape. Join forces with beloved Marvel heroes like Iron Man, Captain America, Hulk, Black Widow, Black Panther, and Captain Marvel. They're all here to help solve the mystery. Take turns rolling the die to move your hero pawn. You'll get opportunities to peek under other pawns or equipment tokens to gather crucial clues and uncover the truth. This exciting board game is perfect for play dates and family game nights. It's designed for 2 to 6 players, ages 5 and up, offering hours of mystery-solving fun for everyone. Experience the classic Clue gameplay reimagined with the power of the Marvel Avengers. It's an engaging mystery that will captivate young minds and create lasting memories. What we like. This is a simplified mystery game tailored for younger players, featuring beloved Marvel Avengers characters. If you have young children aged 5 and up who are fans of superheroes and enjoy simple deduction games, this is a fantastic choice. It's a great way to introduce them to the classic Clue concept in a fun, thematic way. What people say. The game is a great way to get the family together for some fun. It's a good game for all ages and skill levels. The game is easy to learn and play, making it a great choice for a casual game night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.